this time we're going to discuss about graphing linear equations in two variables. We're going to use using point slope form. Okay? So let us have a short review. Give the slope of each of the following lines. So what is the slope here? Your slope here is equal to 2 over 3. How about the next one? What is the slope? Remember, the slope is just the coefficient of your x, and that is negative 1/5. That is your slope. Your slope is being represented by letter M. The next one we have here. What is the slope? Your slope here is 2. Okay? This time, let us try to graph this equation. The equation is y minus 3 equals negative 1/2 multiplied by the quantity x minus 4. Okay? So in order to graph the given equation, we need to know first your slope. Okay? So based from the given equation, our slope here is this one. So your m is equal to negative 1/2. Now, what else aside from that? Since the given equation is given in point slope form, meaning to say you need the point. This equation is written in point slope form. So we need to identify what are these. If we are going to recall our formula for point slope form, we have y minus y sub 1 is equal to m multiplied by the quantity x minus x sub 1. Okay? So meaning to say your 4 here is your x sub 1. Okay? So the operation between x and x sub 1 is subtraction. So that is subtraction. So the sign of x is you just have 4. Okay? And then we have here y minus y sub 1. So the operation between y and y sub 1 is subtraction. So your y sub 1 is this one. Okay? So you're just going to change it. That is 3. Okay? So from there, we can now plot the given equation. In order to plot the given equation, we need to plot first the point. So we need to plot first this point. 4, 3. Where's the location of your 4, 3? Your x is 4. So it is here. And your y is 3. So it is here. Okay? So that is the point 4, 3. After locating your points, let us now apply the slope. Can you still remember your slope? That is rise over run. So you have here negative 1 over 2. So you have there your numerator is 1 and your denominator is 2. You're going to rise 1 step and you're going to run 2 steps. Okay, so 1, that is 1, and then 2 run. What is the sign of your slope? Negative. So you're going to run to the left 2 steps. 1, 2. So the second point will be here, the second point. Okay? So this is the first point and this is the second point. And then we are now going to connect the lines. The points, I should say. We're now going to connect the points. So this is now the graph of the given equation. Okay? The next one, we have here y minus 3 equals negative 2 multiplied by the quantity x minus 4. The given equation is written in this form. Y minus y sub 1 is equal to m multiplied by the quantity x minus x sub 1. So, this is your m. Your m is equal to negative 2. You need to know negative 2, what is the denominator? It is 1. Now, after that, we're going to determine the point, the coordinates of the point. Based from this formula, 4 is your x sub 1. And your y, and your 3 is your y sub 1. Okay? So, your x sub 1 is 4. And then, your y sub 1 is 3. Okay? So, again, do the same thing. Plot first the point. So, we have here 4, 3. Your x is 4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Concentrate first on your x. And then your y is 3. Go up 3. 1, 2, 3. So, here is the location of the point. Okay. After locating your points, from that point, you're now going to apply your slope. Rise over run. So, you're going to move up 2 steps and run 1. Okay? So, we're going to move up from this point. 1, 2. Okay? But then, how many run? 1. Since the sign of the slope is negative, so you go left. So, here is the point now. 2 rise and then 1 run to the left. And then after that, connect the 2 points. Okay? So, this is now the graph of the given equation. Okay? The next one. We have here y plus 3 equals 0 multiplied by x minus 3. Again, that is written in the form y minus y sub 1 is equal to m multiplied by x minus x sub 1. Okay? Again, before you're going to graph that, we need to know first your slope. And your slope is this one. And that is 0. And then, you need to know the coordinates of the point. So, based from the formula, this is your x sub 1. And this is your y sub 1. Okay? So, based from here, that is subtraction sign. So, you have x sub 1 is 3. And your y sub 1, what is the secret? Just change the sign of this one. So, your y sub 1 is negative 3. Okay? Again, your x sub 1 is 3 and your y sub 1 is negative 3. Take a look on this one. Your slope is 0. What does it mean when we say your slope is 0? What is the expected line? The expected line is a horizontal line. Okay? So, if it is horizontal line, what will be your equation? Your equation should just have your y. Y equals whatever will be the value of your y. That is equal to negative 3. So, where's the location of that one? This is your y. Where's the location of negative 3? It is here. Okay? Your negative 3 is here. Remember, if your slope is 0, it is a horizontal line. So you are going to draw a horizontal line on this y equals -3. Okay? So that is now the graph of the given equation. You need to bear in your minds that if your slope is 0, the line is horizontal. And in order for you to graph it, just follow. Just graph your y. Okay? The next one we have here. You do not have your slope, but you just have a point. So what are you going to do? Just simply, you're just going to graph the 2 points. Your x is 1. The first point is your x is 1 and your y is -3. It is here. And then the second one, your x is -1 and your y is 4. That's it. Is there a need for you to find for your slope? No more, because you're given with 2 points. Okay, again, your x is 1, the first order pair, your x is 1 and your y is -3. The second point, your x is -1 and your y is 4. Okay, and then after that, connect now the points. Okay, sorry, that is not a straight line. Just assume that that is a straight line. Okay, so that is now the graph. In this case, you are just given with 2 points. There's no need for you to find for the slope. Just plot the 2 points. And then after that, you're just going to connect it. Okay, any question?